My ingredients today of making the fish stew, I'm going to be requiring the deep fried fish, and I have the link of how I deep fried the fish in my description box, so you can check it out. And I have some coriander here, some bell peppers. You can use the colored ones if you prefer. Then we have for my sauce today I'm using just Royco and curry powder. Then I have some onions, and I have some garlic here, some grated garlic. Of course, my cooking oil is heating up in the pan. I have my salt, and I have my tomato puree. So my oil has been heating up, and you can see it is ready because you can see my wooden stick is bubbling. This means my oil is hot enough to cook my onions. So I'm going to put my onions. On the amount of cooking oil, just make sure your cooking oil is enough just for the onions. So I'm going to cook this until it's translucent, then I'll add my garlic. So my onion now is translucent, so I'm going to add just a pinch of salt to taste. Remember, the fish have also been deep fried with salt. So I just add a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to add in my garlic. Remember, I'm adding garlic this time because it always cooks faster than the onions. And I don't want my garlic burnt. So cook until golden brown. So now I'm going to add in my bell peppers and coriander. It's just a matter of choice. Coriander, you can add it the last time, or you can add it now as I added it. So my tomato puree goes in. Give it a good stir. And please don't feel limited about the spices. If there's something that you like, you can just add it. As for me, I settled for these two. I'm okay with them. We're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. And I can make some stew here. Now I'm going to add in my fish. So let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and it is ready because remember, the fish are pre-cooked. You can serve this alongside chapati, rice, or ugali with some greens of your choice. And that is how I prepare my stew. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch the rest of my videos in my channel. Until next time, bye bye.